we're gonna make a bike from the sticks and the loops. These are the smaller loops. We take 2 of them. And then we have the sticks here. So we start putting the sticks on the first loop like this. Put it all around. All right, one more. Now we're gonna attach the other edges of the stick to this other loop, like this. Right here. Make sure it's attached properly. Let's attach all of them, one by one. Do it nice and slow so that the structure is steady. Well, we have a cylindrical structure, like a roller. You can pace out the sticks like this. Alright, let's keep it aside. We'll take the bigger loops now. And we're gonna attach the sticks now to one of them, like this. Make sure you attach the sticks to the loop properly, like this. Let's do it all around the loop. You got plenty sticks here. Yay! Now attach the other loop on the other side of the pipes like this. Alright, nice and slow. Make sure the structure is steady. Let's do it one by one. Nice and clean. Make sure it's attached properly. Alright, there's a gap here, so let's space it out. Give it equal distance. Now we have a bigger cylindrical structure here. This is the smaller one. Let's place them here now. We take a stick, attach it here on one loop, right here on the loop, and then on another loop, we're gonna attach another stick. So let's pick up another stick here. Same color. Put it on the opposite side, on the other loop, like this. And then attach the other side of both the sticks to the bigger cylindrical structure. Be careful. Yes, make sure it's steady. Now attach a stick here. on this purple stick here. Carefully. And attach it to the bigger structure. Let's take 2 more sticks now. With the first one, we put it here on the bigger structure, like this. And then the other one goes right beside it. Keep a gap between the two, like this. You see where it goes? Right there. Now we're gonna take this square-shaped loop and we're gonna put them right on the top. Here, like this. Now we're gonna put 2 more sticks on the smaller structure like this. You see? Go with the first one here. And now the other one. And then to join these two, we use another stick, like this, right in the middle. Bring it up. Now we take another stick, we join it on the loop, and that goes on these front sticks too. You see where it goes? Right there. And then it goes on this stick, which is on the smaller cylindrical structure, like this. We do the same on the other side too, just like that one. So here's the stick. We're gonna put it right here, parallel to the other one, on the same stick, and then we attach the other end to the front stick like this. Now we're gonna put this stick in between these 2 light blue sticks right here. There you go. Connect it properly. And then another stick right beside it. This one goes right here, you see? You can put them together. Now we're gonna take these 2 purple sticks and make handle out of it. Attach them to each end of the yellow pipe here, like this. These are moving handles. Yay! Our bike is ready! Happy bike riding! Wowkidz! Fun and learn! Please subscribe to our channel today.